Have you ever wondered if your alarm clock could talk to your coffee maker? Or if your fridge could order milk for you when you're running low? It sounds like science fiction, but it's happening right now, thanks to something called the Internet of Things, or IoT. Stick around, and I'll explain what this incredible technology is, and how it's already changing your world. So, what exactly is the Internet of Things? Simply put, IoT. A giant network of physical objects from your smartwatch and smart speakers to industrial machines and even entire city traffic systems that are embedded with sensors and software. These things are all connected to the internet, allowing them to collect and share data with each other. Think of it like this. Your smartphone is a thing on the internet. Now, imagine billions of other everyday objects also having that ability. An IoT device like a smart thermostat has sensors to detect the room's temperature. It uses its internet connection to send that data to a central system, maybe an app on your phone. This system then analyzes the data and can send a command back, like turn on the air conditioning. This entire process, connecting, analyzing, and acting, is the core of how IoT works. The applications are mind-blowing. In our homes, smart lights, locks, and appliances make our lives more convenient and in healthcare, wearable devices monitor vital signs and can alert doctors to potential health issues in real time, which can be in factories. The industrial IoT helps predict when machines need maintenance, preventing costly breakdowns and making production lines smarter and safer. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. Connecting everything to the internet raises important questions about security and privacy. How do we protect all this personal data from being misused? Companies are working hard to build stronger security into IoT devices to keep our information safe. Despite these challenges, the advantages are huge. IoT makes our lives more efficient, saves us money, and provides valuable insights that were never before possible. The future of IoT is even more exciting, with smarter cities, more personalized healthcare, and a level of connectivity we can barely imagine today. The Internet of Things isn't just about connecting devices. It's about creating a smarter, more responsive world for all of us. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech explanations. See you in the next one.